Hello and welcome to my channel Zucker Cooks. I'm Adela. Today I'm making a quick and easy weeknight recipe that is done in no time, and it's delicious. It has vegetables, cheese, and ground beef, and it's really easy. So I have all the ingredients here. I chopped a medium head of cabbage, a pound of ground beef, some diced peppers, half a medium onion diced, crushed tomatoes or diced tomatoes. I am using crushed tomatoes, some grated cheddar cheese, and some seasoning, creole seasoning, garlic powder, paprika, some pepper, and if you want any additional seasonings, it's permitted. So it's all up to taste. So here we go. So in a medium large skillet, I'm going to be using my little wok here, because once we mix everything together with the cabbage and whatnot, we're going to run out of space. So I'm going to use my little wok here. So first we're going to brown the beef, and if it happens to release a lot of fat, I would just remove some. If it's just a little bit extra fat, then that's okay. So we're going to brown the ground beef and go from there. So the meat is browned, so now we're going to add the chopped onion and the bell peppers, and we're going to continue cooking for another 3 or 4 minutes. So now I'm going to add the cabbage, the tomatoes, and the seasoning that I've all mixed together. And I'm going to stir it for a little bit, and then I'm going to cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 20 or 25 minutes. So it's about 15-20 minutes later. I think the cabbage is to my liking, so I'm going to uncover it. I'm going to add the cheddar cheese, spread it around, and cover it again until the cheese is melted, and then it's done. And here we go. Looks delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and serve. And this is really easy, quick to make, and it has pretty much meat, vegetables, and seasoning. It's really good. Well, I hope you like this video. Give it a try. And I'll thank you for stopping by my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.